gjorde du lige?
Jeg kørte bilen ind på B.
Ja?
Jeg kørte bilen ind på B. Så roadkillede jeg en, og så skød jeg lige.
Oh, he got up, he got up. He has a friend to the left. He has friends over on 3, friends over on 3.
Okay,
I'm just gonna push you up just so you can get a good view of them.
Behind this wall down here. Guy behind this wall somewhere.
Yeah. Nice.
They are on Aki. They are on Aki.
Behind the truck. Knocked. Squad wipe. It's right here.
Oh no, it's not squad wipe.
Squad wipe now. Oh, defib.
Oh my, it's dark.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
You missed! Oh, you got...
Attention. Bravo is under control.
Oh my god, it's not way too high. Don't come for me, Red.